Hi all, welcome to OET speaking. Today we can discuss an OET role play. Here the setting is a community health center. You are talking to a 25-year-old woman with complaints of cloudy urine and frequent urination. Since yesterday, she is concerned and would like to get medicines. Task: find out the reason for the patient's visit. When the patient demands medication, explain about the importance of urine investigation, explain how to collect midstream urine specimen, emphasize the importance of confirmed diagnosis, antibiotic needed if in case of urinary tract infection. Here, the setting is a community health center, so we can start our conversation by saying, "Good morning, please have your seat. My name is Sarah. I'm one of the registered nurses working in this community health center. How may I address you?" Here, the name is Miss Maria. Then we can ask about the reason for visit. And we can ask like this, "Okay, Miss Maria, how can I help you today?" Then the patient might tell you like, "Sister, I have a lot of problem when I go to toilet." Then we can ask her, "Do you mean it hurts when you pass urine?" Sometimes she may tell you, "Yes, sister, I feel pain when I pass urine. Also, my urine is cloudy." If she doesn't tell you these symptoms, at that time we can ask questions like, "Could you please tell me, or could you please explain what happens when you pass urine?" Then she might explain about her complaints. After that, we need to reassure the patient. We can say, "Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that you are experiencing difficulties when you pass urine. You don't need to be worried. We will take care of you. And you did the right thing coming to here." After that, we can collect the history. Before proceeding further, can I ask you something related to your condition? Then you can ask questions like, "How long have you had this problem? Does it feel like burning when you pass urine? Do you go to the toilet more often than usual? How about your fluid intake?" These questions you can ask one by one. Then probably the patient might reply you like, "Yes, sister, it's burning pain and I use toilet more often and I don't like to drink water." Then as per the interlocutor case, sometimes she may demand medicine. At that time, we need to explain the importance of urine test before starting the medication. And also the importance of confirmed diagnosis. In case if she doesn't ask medication, we can continue our conversation by saying, "From your words, I suspect that you might have an infection. So it's really important to consult with a doctor. Is that clear?" Sometimes the patient may argue with you. Then you can say, "Miss Maria, I understand how you are feeling. Miss Maria, it's really important to do urine test in order to find out whether there is an infection in your urinary tract or not. Are you following me?" If she agrees with you, you can give bottle for the collection of sample. You can tell her like this, "Okay, I will give a specimen bottle from here. Can you please collect some urine? When you collect, it's really important to collect a midstream urine sample because it reduces the risk of sample being contaminated with bacteria from your urethral area. Is that clear?" Then probably the patient may ask you that how to collect a midstream urine sample. At that time, we need to explain about the procedure of collecting midstream urine sample. You can say like this, "Okay, Miss Maria, I will explain in detail. Firstly, please wash and dry your hands thoroughly. Then clean the genital area. After that, you can remove the lid of the container. Please do not open the container until you are ready to take the sample. After that, you can pass some urine into the toilet. Then, without stopping the flow of urine, catch some urine in the bottle. Once you have enough urine in the bottle, finish off by passing the rest of urine into the toilet. Put the cap back on the container." Please avoid touching the inner part of the bottle in order to avoid the risk of contamination. Are you following me? After that, we can ask, Miss Maria, do you have any other concerns? Sometimes she may ask you like, sister, how much amount of urine I need to collect? And then you can reply like, this is the urine specimen collection bottle. Here is a mark on the bottle. You can collect till that. Or you can say, it's always better to collect till that area. Once the sample has collected, please give it to the laboratory which is the corner of this floor. Are you following me? Sometimes the patient may ask you questions like, sister, is it really necessary to do this test? That time we need to emphasize the importance of confirmed diagnosis. We can say like this, Miss Maria, I too really understand the perspective. You know, Miss Maria, your health is our priority. In order to find out the exact cause of your symptoms, it's really important to do this investigation so that we can treat your condition as early as possible. The doctor may prescribe antibiotic if there is urinary tract infection. You know, Miss Maria, if you do not get the treatment on time, can lead to unfavorable outcome. Are you following me? Or you can ask, is that clear? If she has no other concern, you can wind up by saying, I hope I have cleared all your concerns. The container for urine collection, please collect and send to laboratory. Meantime, I will do the arrangements for your consultation. Okay, Miss Maria, thank you.